Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and remove the camera lens frame by applying heat on the camera lens area from the rear side of the back cover. Once you feel the heating is enough, first remove the flash sensor board from the lens and then apply slight pressure from the front side of the back cover to remove the lens with the frame. Next, if needed, can take out the lens from the frame. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the lens. There are few different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame or back cover with camera lens installed. I would recommend you to go with the camera lens with the frame, which is closer to the lens only price. Select the required part and first place the sensor board in the lens frame by adding glue, and then place the new camera lens with the frame to back cover by applying glue. The replacement camera lens or camera lens with the frame comes with adhesive. Otherwise, you can use B7000 glue on the edges. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.